Hi guys, in this video I want to repair the seat belt. As you can see, it became lazy. To make it faster, you need to pull the spring. First of all, we need to remove this panel and remove the mechanism itself. Take it out. Here you need to remove the cover. This is a spring. Now we need to stretch it. Be careful. If you want the belt to be ever faster, then you will need to pull the spring a few more turns. Now collect in place. Now we need to put it all in place and check how our belt works. Now put it in place. Now let's check our seatbelt for operating. As you can see, it became faster. That's all work. Thank you for watching. Now guys, the safety belt is lazy. You can disassembling it and tighten the spring to make the return mechanism more intensive. And thus the belt will be faster. I have the video on the channel about assembling the belt. You can also wash the seat belt. In this way it will be also faster. We take the rag and bucket water with a detergent. Wash the belt in this way. Then wet it. Now guys, after that the belt will came back more intensively. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove this rear brake discs. It changes the same as front brake discs. First of all, we need to remove the wheel. After that, we need to remove this support. It's there on 2 bolts. Then we need extend our brake pads with using these screwdrivers. Remove these calipers and put somewhere. After that, we need to remove this bolt. Now remove our discs. The brake disc change in the event that there's a large rim, that is, the disc is badly worn. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and bot like.